Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on Bluevine. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Step 1, log into your Bluevine dashboard through the website or mobile app. And from the main menu, you're going to tap settings. Next, under the security section, select two-factor authentication. After that, you're going to choose your preferred method. Bluevine supports SMS codes or authenticator apps like Google Authenticator or Audi. Step 4 is if you select SMS, enter your mobile number and confirm it by entering the one-time code that's sent to your phone. Step 5, if you choose an authenticator app, open the app and scan the QR code displayed on Bluevine. Enter the 6-digit code generated by the app to complete setup. Final step, save your backup codes. Bluevine will provide a set of emergency recovery codes, so be sure to write these down and store them securely in case you lose access to your phone. Once enabled, you'll need both your password and the verification code for every login, adding an extra layer of protection. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.